Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. I hope everyone had a wonderful 4th of July. I was super excited because I was able to pull out all of my 90% off 4th of July clearance finds from last year, so that was kind of fun. Also a reminder, that will be happening hopefully again this year, so keep an eye out in your store because it typically will be marked down 50%, then 75%. No, I lied. 50%, then 70%, then 90% off with Walgreens. And of course, I will let you know over on my Instagram and Facebook pages when I see those clearance deals starting to happen. All right, so Walgreens ended up being a better week than I anticipated. So I did my shopping early yesterday morning and I was able to get all of these items completely free and made $16.65 buying it all. So of course I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that, as well as show you how I used my spend 20 get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. But before I get into that, I wanted to tell you about something fun. If you've been following me for a while, every once in a while I will do a Walmart Wednesday challenge where I challenge another YouTuber to see who can score the best deals at Walmart for the week. It's just something fun and silly and a great way to share other awesome YouTubers with you. So this week I am competing with couponing with Alicia. So if you have not checked out her channel, you definitely want to do so. She is wonderful and I am very worried she's going to beat me because she does a great job every week. And this week the loser is going to get a pie in the face. Both of our kids think that it would be super fun to pie mom in the face. So whoever doesn't score the best deals will have that consequence to face. All right, so as always, if you are not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. If you enjoy the channel, share it with your friends and family. That would be amazing. All right, so let's talk about the deals. I think I want to talk to you about the toothpaste deals first because they're easy peasy deals and it's free toothpaste. So these Colgate Optic Whites here, these are priced at $3 each. And when you buy two, you get $2 in Walgreens cash. So I purchased two of them at $3. That's $6. There is a $4 off two digital coupon. So you would pay $2 and you would get $2 in Walgreens cash back, making it completely free. So can you pay with Walgreens cash and still get Walgreens cash back? Yes. And can you pay with a register reward and still get Walgreens cash back? Yes, you could pay either way. You're still going to see that $2 in Walgreens cash back when you buy two of these. Another toothpaste deal is on these Colgates. These are priced at $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $4 in Walgreens cash. Okay, so buy two at $3.99, that's $7.98. There was a different $4 off two digital coupon, so you would pay $3.98. You would get $4 back in Walgreens cash, making it completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. So super great deal there. And the last toothpaste deal, this was a good one last week, but it's still a decent deal this week because these Tom's of Maine kids toothpaste are buy two, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So these are priced at $4.79 each. That makes two of them $9.58. Now I had a coupon for $3.50 off two of them. That was a digital coupon that I found in my Walgreens app. So I paid $6.08. I got $5 in Walgreens cash back, making it $1.08 for both of them, or just 54 cents each. So a great price on that. Now, I forgot to mention, I found quite a few things on clearance this week when I went shopping. So I'm including a number of pictures at the end of the video, as well as sharing with you a couple of the deals that I grabbed on clearance while I was at the store. Okay, so let's talk about this one, and this is a super great deal. The Hard As Nails Sally Hansen. They are buy two, get $5 in Walgreens cash, but this one here is priced at $2.69. So purchasing two of them is $5.38, and you'll get $5 in Walgreens cash back, making it 38 cents for both of them. But I placed this as a curbside deal, and I used the code SENIOR20, and so that took off $1.08. So when I used that code, I only paid $4.30, still got the $5 in Walgreens cash back, making it a 70-cent moneymaker. So great deal on that. If you've been following me for a while, you know I do quite a few curbside deals, and I do that because I find I have fewer issues with the digital coupons coming off. And so I know exactly what I'm going to be paying, and I don't have the wondering stress at the register of what digitals are going to come off and which ones are not. So I just prefer placing them as curbside orders, but I can also go through Rakuten and get additional cash back on Rakuten. So that's another reason why I do curbside deals. If you're not using Rakuten, they have some awesome deals. All you have to do is type in the store that you want to shop at online, and it redirects you to that store. And if they have an offer for it, you get additional cash back into your Rakuten account. So you can get 3% cash back, 10% cash back, 1.5%. It just depends on the store, but all that little money adds up over time, and then they send you a check or to your PayPal once a quarter. But if you are new to Rakuten, you can get $30 back when you spend $30 using my link. So if you are brand new, use that link that I provide in the video description box below. And the amount changes. Sometimes it's spend 25, get 25. Sometimes it's spend 30, get 30. So just look and see what it is when you click on it, because that can make for some amazing deals that first time. So definitely check that out. All right, another easy peasy one. The Neutrogena facial bar, priced at $3.49. There is a $3 digital coupon, making this bar just 49 cents. So it's a great one to add into a scenario if you're trying to do the spend 20, get 5. Another easy peasy one is on the Irish Spring or the Soft Soap Body Wash. They are priced at $3.99 this week, and there's a $3.50 digital coupon, making it just 49 cents. And this shows you exactly how to do it right there in the ad this week. So this is an easy peasy one to do as well. The poise pads, my store was running low on these. They only had one. It was a deal that you could do buying 2 of them, but I just grabbed one. They're priced at $5.99. I had a $3 digital coupon for this, making it $2.99. But on my Shopkick app, there was an offer that said any poise pads 24 count and above get 750 kicks back. Now, 750 kicks is equivalent to $3. So that makes this completely free. Now, I submitted to Shopkick. My receipt has not processed yet, but I don't foresee any issues with it processing. If you're not using the Shopkick app yet, I do have a complete tutorial on how to use that app. If you join using my referral code, you'll get an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt, and they have some awesome deals on that app at multiple different retailers. Okay, what do I want to tell you about next? I'm saving the makeup deal because it was amazing, but there's a little change to it. Let's talk about the soft soap. So this soft soap, this is the 11.25 ounce. They are priced at $1.99, but when you buy 4, you get $4 in Walgreens cash back. And there's an Ibotta offer. So $1.99 times 4 is $7.96. You get $4 in Walgreens cash back for buying 4. Submit your receipt to the Ibotta app that's giving 50 cents back for each of them, so that's a total of $2, which means I paid $1.96 for all 4 of these, or just 49 cents each. Great deal. If you're not already using the Ibotta app, you definitely want to grab that one as well. If you use my referral code, you'll unlock up to $20 in welcome bonuses, as well as join my team. And the team, you get additional bonuses for how much you shop and spend, and I think I would be an amazing teammate. So anyway, great. grab Ibotta if you don't have it yet because you can save a ton of money. Okay, guys, Revlon deal. All right, let's talk about Revlon, and then I'll show you the deals I got on clearance. Okay, so Revlon this week, buy one, get one half off, okay? It is also spend 12, get $4 register reward back. And there were some Ibotta deals that have disappeared. So I was fortunate enough that I was still able to get the Ibotta deals. I'm telling you about it because this is how it worked for me, but I'm also hoping that these rebates come back and you can replicate this deal exactly. If not, you can still grab these for a moneymaker even without the Ibotta offers. Okay, so there were some super, super high value digitals for the Revlon. Okay, so I grabbed 2 of these Revlon Candid powders. They are priced at $6.69, but remember it's buy one, get one half off. So one is $6.69, one is $3.34. Okay, but I had a $9 digital coupon off any 2 Almay or Revlon face. So I paid $1.03 for both of these, just $1.03. And I got back $6 on Ibotta, $3 for each of them, making it a $4.97 moneymaker. Now, like I said, that offer is gone. So you would pay $1.03 for both of these. But if you buy it in combination with the Revlon eyeshadow, it could still be a moneymaker. So the Revlon eyeshadows, also buy one, get one half off. These are priced at $5.19. So I paid $5.19 for one, $2.59 for the other. So that's a total of $7.78. But there was a digital coupon for $8 off too. Now, obviously, I did this as a curbside deal because that $8 off will not come off at the register. So I paid nothing for these. But again, I got back $3 for each of them on Ibotta, making it a $6 moneymaker. But again, that offer has disappeared. As of the timing of this video, I'm hoping it comes back. But I got a $6 moneymaker on these. But buying this and the powder together, you will hit that spend 12, get a $4 register reward. So I also got the $4 register reward, making it a $14.97 moneymaker doing both of those deals. Like I said, the Ibotta offers are gone. It's still a moneymaker if you can get 2 of the face, 2 of the eye. You get that $4 when you spend 12 register reward, as well as using those high value digital coupons. You can still snag an awesome, awesome deal. Now, let me add one layer to that. That is how I choose to use my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash booster. So for that transaction, I grabbed 2 of the Revlon powders, 2 of the Revlon eyeshadows, and I added in this Irish Spring body wash. But because the digital coupons were so high value coupons, I only paid $1.52 out of pocket. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending 20. I got back the $12 on Ibotta for the Revlon. I got back the $4 register reward for the Revlon. So that made it completely free and a $19.48 moneymaker, which was just ridiculous. Now, in the Google document that I've provided, I told you that if you replicated that deal exactly, you wouldn't get the Ibotta deals as of today, but it would still be a $7.48 moneymaker because you're still getting that $4 register reward plus the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending 20 if you got that digital booster. Now, if you have any questions on that, please let me know down in the video description box below. All right, couple of clearance deals that I want to tell you about. These Kiwi shoe wipes, it's just like you wipe your shoes off clean. I've never used them before. They were marked 90% off, so they were just 90 cents. And this was on like an end cap in my store. It was like right at the end of an aisle. And I want to say there were also some white shoelaces that were 90% off. I saw the tag for it, but they were already sold out at my store. Another thing that I found was the children's Advil. And this was marked 90% off at just 80 cents. And it doesn't expire until September of 23. So I'm not sure if they're getting new packaging or they're just doing away with the blue raspberry flavor, but it was 90% off on this blue raspberry one specifically. And then the last ones, and I always butcher this name, I probably am not saying it correctly. I think it's Aven is the product name. They were marked 90% off. So there were a number of different products. And these were, I found them at the front of my store in the cosmetics section. But this one here, this is the Skin Recovery Cream. This one was priced at $3.59, originally $35.99. And then this one here is the Gentle Cleanser Lotion. It took me like 5 minutes to find where the English was on this packaging. It's on the very top. It's not on the front here. So Gentle Cleanser Lotion. This again, 90% off, priced at $2.49. So I grabbed these. I have another product that I like of theirs, so I'm curious to try these and see if they're any good. All right. Let me know if y'all have questions. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. This week, I will definitely have my Walmart Wednesday video where I challenge couponing with Alicia to see who can grab the best deals. I think that's all I needed to tell you guys. Again, if you have questions, drop them down in the comment box below, and I will do my best to answer all of your questions. Hope y'all have an awesome, awesome week. And if you have the holiday off today, congratulations. Hope you have an amazing day.